Yay! Another video and another complete mess. In this scene I am somehow not recording the audio, but at least I remembered to make my face small, and when I change scenes in OBS at least the audio starts recording, and that will be in just a minute. This is an absolute beauty. I knew about Destructuring tuples, right? And did that in the refactoring video last time. But what I didn't know is that you can destructure right inside the function signature, just like that. And then we don't need that anymore. And beautiful. And what's more, the test still passes. So yeah, that is a gem. Thank you, sir. Right, so let's have a look. I am going to commit that. Change. There it is. Lovely diff. Look at that lovely diff. That is a lovely diff. So let's stage that lovely diff and then commit that lovely diff. And we'll say thank you, Mr. Keefe. And I'll push that up in a bit. Right, okay, so back to this. This is part one. I am going to copy the file and make a part two so we can have a go at solving part two. I'm going to restart my LSP because it just seems happier if I do that. And then, yeah, let's get into it. Part two. What have we got? Now the elves just need help accessing. A bit of a problem with that word. Accessing. Now the elves just need help accessing as much of the paper as they can. Once a roll of paper can be accessed by a forklift, it can be removed. Once the roll of paper is removed, the forklifts might be able to access more rolls of paper. Okay, how many total rolls of paper? All right, okay, so do we starting with the same example? Yep. So we remove the 13 rolls that we found for part one, I guess, and then we carry on removing. So this seems all right. And then the assertion. So in my test, I should be looking for 43 rolls rather than 13. So I think what I need to do for this is put this inside a loop, because essentially we want to remove each roll of paper that we find, yeah, so that we can get to the other rolls of paper. So that's fine, but we want to just keep going until we can't take any more. So yeah, if this is in a loop and then we break out the loop when we don't find any rolls, or we can't get, or there's no accessible rolls, then yeah, I think that should do it. So let's go for a loop, and then here we want all of that in there. And we want, I think we want a total which will be mutable, I think, or need to be mutable up here. And then in here we'll say let's accessible rolls, and then yeah, we'll do that so we are in our loop. We're getting the number of accessible roles for the particular iteration, and then if accessible roles equals 0, we want to break. Terrible typing today. Else we will add to our roles the accessible roles that we've got on that iteration. Why aren't you happy? We want to... Oh, that's fine. We need to return the roles down here. Yeah, okay, that's okay. But of course, we need to remove the position that we are on if it's accessible. Second borrow. Oh, right, okay. Is this because we are iterating? Immutable borrow occurs here, and then we're trying to mutate the palette inside of there. So maybe we can just clone it here. Okay, that seems all right. And I think everything else can stay the same. Maybe. So we want part 2. Oh, yeah, okay. Test is passing. All right, let's see if this might be a record. 8739. Okay, let's try it. 8739. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Is it Gold Store? Yes! Day 4 complete. Oh, okay. We are getting there. We are getting there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll keep this one really short then. Nice. See you in the next one. Bye.